So in this question, it is asking you, a cylindrical water tank is of diameter 14 meters and height 3.5 meters. Question number A. Find the capacity of the water tank in liters, which have 3 marks. When we go to the question number B, 6 members of the family use 20 liters each per day. Each day, 80 liters are used for cooking and washing. A further 50 liters is used daily. Find the number of complete days a full tank will last for the family. In C, it's saying 2 members of the family were absent for 90 days during this time. Wasting was reduced by 20%. Cooking and washing remain the same. Calculate the number of days a full tank will now last the family. So we're going to start with the question number A. A cylindrical water tank is of diameter 14 meters. So diameter is equals to 14 meters, and height is equals to 3.5 meters. So to get the question number A, it is asking you to find the capacity of water in liters. So to find the capacity, basically is to find the volume. So the volume of to get the volume of a cylinder, you use pi multiplied by radius square, then multiplied by height. So here we are going to have, so that you can get the volume, you're going to use 22 all over 7 multiplied by the radius. The radius is half of the diameter, which is 14 divided by 2 is 7. 7 square multiplied by this height. The height is 3.5. So the volume is 539 meters square, and from what we know, 1 meter square is equals to 1000 liters. So we multiply here by 1000 so that we can find the amount in liters. So 539 multiplied by 1000, we have 539 liters. So the capacity is 539,000 liters. So the question number B, it is saying 6 members of the family use 20 liters each per day. So each member uses 20 liters per day, and they are 6. So we are going to have, so to find the amount of water used by the 6 members, we are going to multiply 6 by 20 liters so that we can find the amount of liters, the total amount of liters they use in each day, so which is 120 liters a day. And the question continues, each day 80 liters are used for cooking and washing. So cooking and washing, is equals to 80 liters used for cooking and washing. A further 50 liters is wasted daily. Wasted is equals to 50 liters. So this is daily. So the total amount of water used each day is 120 plus 80 plus 50, which is equals to 20 plus 8 is 200 plus 50 is 250. 250 liters daily. So the question here is asking, find the number of complete days a full tank will last for the family. So the number of days, so the whole tank is 539,000 liters. So what about how many days will this water last? So 539 divided by 250 liters. So 539 divided by 250. So this equals 2,156 days. This is the number of days that a full tank will last to serve the whole family. Question number C. 2 members of the family were absent for 90 days. So the total number of members was 6 initially, but it have reduced by 2, so members are 6. So members is 4 multiplied by 20, which is equals to 80 liters per day for the first 90 days. So during this time, wasting was reduced by 20%. So cooking and washing means remain the same. So cooking was 80 liters per day, and the wasted was reduced by 20%. So initially it was 50 liters, so 50 wasted is equals to, initially 50, this is the 100%, so 50 is equals to 100. What about, so 20 is what was reduced. What about 80 from 100? So 50 multiplied by 80 all over 100 is equals to is equals to 40 liters. So for the first 90 days, this is how the family was using water. So we are going to, in order to get the total per day, so it is 80 plus 80 plus another 80, another 40, which is equals to 200 daily for the first 90 days. So the question is asking, calculate the number of days the full tank will now last the family. So these 200 days, 200 liters is for the 90 days, first 90 days. So to get the total amount of water remaining in the tank after that 90 days, we are going to find the total amount in liters that was consumed in those 90 days, then we subtract from the full tank. Then we get the amount in liters that is remaining inside the tank. So 200 liters we multiply by 90 is equals to 18,000 liters. This is the amount of liters that was used for 90 days. So for this, for the first 90 days, this is the remaining volume of water in the tank is 539,000 liters minus 18,000 that was used, which is equals to we are going to have 521,000 liters, which is remaining inside the tank. So this is the amount of water inside the tank that is remaining. So so we divide this by in the normal days, which was they were consuming 250 liters per day. So 521 all over 250, because the number of members in the family is now 6. So they went to the initial system of using 250 liters per day. So this 521 divided by 250 is equals to 2084 days. Plus the initial number of days that the 2 members were absent, plus 90 days. We add the 90 days. So that's the end of the question, where you are being asked calculate the number of days a full tank will last for the family after the 2 members of the family were absent. So this is the answer. Thank you.